Paboarding na kami to Italy. After 6 hours na naka-stay kami dito sa airport for our layover. Meron kaming 13 hours travel.
Traveling far under the stars, across the seas where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive.
Masakay na kami sa Asiana Air for our 13 hours travel to Italy.
Ano, tingnan mo, dito na kami.
Mountains high and valleys
Ganito.
low. In every place there's
Tapos, alam mo yung ganda? Ganda!
I feel so free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world.
So ito yung meal namin for tonight.
So come with me, let's take a ride with the wind and the ocean tide. Every moment a memory. Traveling the world, just you and
Kahit na matanda ka na dito, pag nagkakape after kumakain, nagkakape kami after nila mag-serve ng food. Babalik ko din sila para mag-offer ng tea or coffee. So, binili namin yung coffee. Happy coffee. Kala ko yung